let's go ahead and download the vegan ebook. That way you can transition from your current lifestyle right now into a vegan lifestyle right there. So guys, tasty meals down below for you right there for you to cook, right? Some of them you don't even have to cook. Some of them are shakes, so they're easy to make right there for you. So that is the 7-day vegan challenge. I want you to work out, I want you to drink water, I want you to eat, and also use the calorie calculator too as well. That way you can see how many calories you need per day, whether you want to bulk up, whether you want to maintain your current weight, or you want to lose weight. So guys, I'm excited for you on the challenge. Go ahead and get started below. Look through it, read it, make sure to do some prep work, right? Preparation is key so you can keep consistent on this journey, right? You don't have to start today. You can prep for a week and maybe start next week. But I'm so glad that you're in the challenge. You've made this purchase, you've made this investment in yourself, and you are ready to go right there to live a more energy, more better lifestyle right here, my friend. So without further ado, let's go and jump in this challenge, and don't forget, let's rise.